What's going on, guys? Colin with Victory. Check out this 2021 392 Wrangler Rubicon we just got in. Couple additions to this bad chicken. 6'4" Hemi right there. Of course, this one does have that naturally aspirated SRT performance 6.4 liter V8 392 motor in there. Same that's in the Scat package. Does have proximity key on this one as well, which is quite nice. Of course, all original floor mats back here. Does have the Alpine sound system as well, so beautiful subwoofer, 12 volt right here on the left. And man, I never saw that before. Nice little JL logo. That's pretty snazzy. Folding it on up here, up underneath, of course. Doors come off, wheels come off, hinges come off, all those goodies there. Looks like we got our Mopar wheel lock kit there for you, which is already good. It looks like that's already on the Jeep right there. Of course, as you guys can see, not your standard wheel there. Does come with factory bead locks and the BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2s on there as well. Also does have the rock sliders coming down the side. Can't forget about that. Coming inside on the back seat here, beautiful leather interior on this one. Giant fan of it. Of course, 2 USBs, 2 Type-Cs, 115 volt window switches, and some AC vents. Nice little MOLLE strips right there on the back of the seats. That way you can hook up whatever you so please. Now this one does have blind spot monitoring system right there. It's going to light up nice bright and yellow in that little triangle guy there. Coming on inside, I do like on the 392s how they have the painted dash going across there, but of course coming here to our seating lets you know it's a 392 Rubicon right there. That way you can show off to all your friends at the Jeep meets, everything there. Bullet antenna, and then a couple American flags on there, can't forget about those. And of course beautiful 392 accents going across the hood with that giant hood scoop. Forward camera on this guy, that's right there. It's got that off-road camera, steel bumpers as well. I like that. And of course gold retrieval hooks let you know it's a 392, and of course American flag on the side as well. Climbing on in here, let's give her a good little start up. 8469 on the mileage, which is quite nice there. Should be able to be certified pre-owned as far as that goes. Now kind of looking at it going across the steering wheel here, left to right. Of course all our in-dash cluster display right there to go ahead and cycle through everything. And then of course accept reject call voice recognition software there. Coming across to the right, standard cruise control right there, and then adaptive cruise as well. Can't forget about that guy. You do have paddle shifters going across the back. This one is a performance V8. Heaven forbid you want to drive this thing bad to the bone, you can go ahead and paddle shift. Now below the paddle shifters, left side AM FM tunes, skip track. Right side here is going to be your volume and up and down controls there. Nice little tactile clickness there. I do like that. 8.4 radio screen as well. Of course, does have the factory navigation, which is quite nice. Of course, for our controls there, we do have the heated seats, heated wheel, remote start, and of course, let's go to that forward camera, which is quite nice. You can clean that as well, which I think is pretty cool. And then of course, going out of the rear, does have backup camera. Can't forget about that guy. Now coming over here into our applications. Of course, this one is a Jeep, does have the off-road pages, Wi-Fi hotspot capable, should you so choose to run that. Of course, our off-road pages are right there. Gives you a little bit more in-depth detail. While that's loading up, let's scroll on down here. Of course, a couple different buttons on the 392, going from this one to the regular, to just a regular Rubicon. Okay, still got our heated seats, heated wheel switches there, dual AC controls, passenger heated seat. Coming across the bottom, our screen off, our hill descent control, parking sensors, StabiliTrak, and our performance exhaust, which is the valve system in the exhaust, much like what the Chargers and Challengers use. It is there. I'm not sure if you guys can kind of hear the difference there. I've got that off. Now I turn it on. I hear a nice good old rumble there. But coming on down here to the bottom, does have the axle lockers, off-road, plus sway bar disconnect, all those goodies. This one is a Jeep, is a Rubicon, does have all those. And of course auxiliary switches there, should you want to mount anything. Now this one does have 4-wheel drive auto, part-time, neutral, and 4 low, should you choose to go that route. So 4-wheel drive all the time on this one, no user input needed. Now coming up top here, let's see our drivetrain, which is quite nice, 4 auto there. And then let's see some accessory gauges there, exact GPS latitude, longitude, altitude as well, pitch and roll, and we can go into that trail cam right there as well, guys. But don't just take my word for it, come check it out yourself. Let's climb on out here, listen to that performance exhaust real quick before we end the video. Guys, don't forget, drop a like, drop a comment, hit the subscribe button, help your boy out here. Dual exhaust coming across the back, of course trailer tow, 4 and 7 pin receiver, and not window switches, and 7 and 4 pin connectors. But guys, my name's Colin. I'm up here at Victory Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Kansas City. This one is available. Who knows for how long though? Shoot me a text or call 660-492-5030, and let's put this one in your driveway.